spelling out a stern directive to the United Nations military mission in the capital, the Modi government has asked the body to vacate its government premises, arguing that the mission has outlived its utility. The UN mission, however, has stated that it will continue operations in India from its Srinagar headquarters. In a predictable fallout of the move, the Pakistan government maintains that Kashmir is disputed domain.
6 weeks after their handshake in Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has signalled the shape of its Kashmir policy.
The United Nations Military Observers Group in India and Pakistan, the official office of it that has been housed at the center of Delhi for the last 40 years now, has been asked to be vacated from the Site 7 bungalow, which is a government accommodation sprawling over some 7,000 square feet.
The UN military observers have been stationed ever since the Kashmir dispute erupted between India and Pakistan. But now, decades later, the relevance of the UN mission is being questioned. Even the UN has confirmed that its military observers in Delhi are looking for a new office. But Pakistan's reaction has been on predictable lines.
Asking Umogeb to move out of a building is inconsequential in the context of the status of Jammu and Kashmir and why Umogeb is present in the first place.
But in Delhi, the message sent to UN mission is unambiguous.
No, I don't know whether it's about strengthening a stance towards the entire organization. But the specific purpose for which they had existed for so long, it wasn't being served in any way. And it's an absolutely outdated mechanism. And once the government took a decision that, you don't need it anymore, there was no need to just for them to stay on.
Pakistan has always raised Kashmir again and again. And this time, after this house behind me was taken away by the Indian authorities from UN troops here, Pakistan has said, you can take away our house, but Kashmir remains disputed territory.
So for now, the UN military observers are operating from Srinagar.
While the United Nations Military Observer Office may have been told to vacate the government accommodation in Delhi, but as far as Srinagar is concerned, no such direction has been given to them by the government. Sources in the Unmogeb here in Srinagar tell Times Now that they will continue with their routine operations here in Srinagar. Mir Farid, Srinagar, Times Now.